Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the battery health on your Android device. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Battery or Battery and Device Care, depending on your phone model. Look for Battery Health, Battery Information, or a similar option if your device provides it. Here, you can view information about your battery's condition, charging status, and overall performance. If your phone doesn't have a built-in battery health feature, you can install a trusted battery monitoring app from the Google Play Store to check your battery's health, capacity, and charging cycles. You can also monitor your battery usage by returning to the battery settings, where you'll see which apps are using the most power. This can help you identify apps that drain your battery and improve your device's battery life. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to check the battery health on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.